Welcome again. We carry on with our adventures in Excel, and this time we're going to be selecting blocks of data and copying them somewhere else. And here are the keystrokes. Again, whenever there's a plus sign, you have to hold the shift or the control button down and then press one of the other keys. Undoubtedly, the star of the show is going to be this one here, control shift with one of the arrows. And that's going to allow us to select and copy large blocks of data very, very quickly. So let's just go straight to the spreadsheet. And there's a lot of data, or there's data that goes beyond what you can see on your screen. Now, chances are, when we want to select data, we probably click and drag the mouse, and then we can copy, cut, paste, whatever we actually want to do, which is fine, as long as everything that you want to select is on the screen. But it's not going to be that particularly useful when there's a lot of information that you can't see. So there's a couple of ways around this. One is to press the shift button and the left and right arrows, or the up and down arrows. So shift right arrow selects each individual cell. So hold down shift, press right arrow again, and it'll select that little selection. Carry on holding shift down and press the down arrow, and there's your selection. Now you can copy it somewhere else. So let's do Control C and copy it there. Undo. That was Control Z. The other way of doing it is to press shift and the page down and the page up button. So if you go page down, it'll select blocks of cells until you get down to where you want to. So you can do it that way, or shift right arrow and then hold the shift down, press page down. I think most of us will be probably fairly familiar with that. Now, let's say that you want to copy everything that you have over here. Fastest way of doing that is to go Control, hold it down, Shift, hold it down, right arrow. That'll take you to the last filled cell. Hold both Control and Shift down, press the down arrow. It'll take you right down to the bottom of your data. And then you can do what you want. So Control copy, paste. So let's do that again. Control Shift, right arrow is going to go horizontally as far as it can, and then the down arrow will take you down as far as it can. So that's going to select the whole block. So let's just copy that now down to here. So now we've got double the amount of data. So if you want to copy all that, again, Control Shift, press down arrow, takes you right down to the end. Control C is copy, paste. Simple as that. Once you get used to these shortcuts, you really will find that you move your way around much more quickly. That's it for this one. In the next one, what we're going to be doing is looking at the use of the $ and the F4 button, because that relates to working with cell formulae or cell links. So hope to see you there. This has been Abdullah. Thanks for listening.